Okay, you have to use Keyshot 2023 software. So right click over this and select open. So at this time you have to close all the softwares. या अगर कोई भी ओपन रहा होगा तो उसको बंद करना, क्योंकि इसको ज़्यादा रैम कोर्स ज़्यादा यूज़ करता है आपके मॉनिटर्स CPU के. Okay, so as you open this, so right now this is the interface of Keyshot. Okay. Okay. So you have to go to the performance mode first, and you have to on all the GPUs of your system. Okay. Then after you have to import this assembly file, whichever wherever you have saved that file. Okay. So I have saved in this particular folder. Okay. So I think C1, C2. Okay. So this is an assembly. So you have to import this first. Okay, so as soon as you have imported this one, so left click is for rotating purpose. Okay, left click is for rotating purpose. Now you have to make sure your this project is also selected. Okay, ये project पे आपको click करना है. Okay, so here you can see your imported part over here. So just extend this. So there are two parts which you have created from CATIA. That is, one is body and another one is a part that is this lid. Okay, so first of all I will give the color for this one. Okay, for body. So I will hide this cap part. Okay, now you have to search for the blue color. Okay, so which color code is this? Okay, so for that purpose, first you have to select this body. Okay, here from material, double click over this. Okay, as soon as you double click over this body, here is the color palette. So here click over this color palette. So by two ways you can give the color codes, by hex code and by RGB, means red, green, blue, how much to add. Okay, so where to get this value? You have to go to web. Okay, and just search for Vix vapor up color hex. Okay, so this is for the blue part. Okay, royal blue or cobalt blue it is. So 121394, or you can use RGB also, 1819 148. Okay, so I will use this code 121394. So you have to just type over here 121394. Okay, so you get this royal blue color. Okay, now second, again come back to select OK and come back to scene. Okay, now this time you have to hide this one and you have to select the lid part. So lid part is a greenish or bluish type of color. So for that you have to select VikisVapo up cap, green color, hex code. So I think it's around so this color we want. Okay, it is what is the code? So this one is 2FC F6E. So this is the code. You can copy it also. Go here. Again for this materials, this part. Okay, double click over it. Go to this palette and select this one and select enter. Okay, so this is the cap color. Okay, so both colors we have included in our design. Now this much portion has been done right now. Okay, now we have to go for the images or the sticker part. How to do the sticker part over your part. So for that you have to download that files. I will provide that files to you. Okay, you have to download that files, and you have to one thing, you have to remove the background of that file. Okay, so this one is okay. So background is removed. Only this part is here. So while downloading, you have to download the file image first, and you have to remove the background. Okay, by using any application of remove background. So these two stickers we required. Okay, so how to assign this? So first again you have to hide. Suppose we'll start with the this cap first. So I will hide this body. Rotate this to straight position here. Okay, and now go to material from here. You can go from here or anything. Okay, material, and here you have to go to labels. Okay, your labels, you have to select this, add labels, add texture, and you have to browse that file, this one. Okay, so this file will appear over here. So from here you can shift its position of the sticker. Suppose it is not fitting properly, then you can translate. So remove the rotate and use translate, and you can just move your sticker likewise. Okay, so that properly it is at its center. Okay, and then select okay. So one thing you have to check whether you have that background, it's coming in the backside also. So you have to remove this backside mirror image. Okay, so for that purpose, what you have to do, you have to go over this option over here. Okay, in label only, label, in that size and mapping. Okay, size and mapping is closed, you have to open that, and in that two-sided you have to remove this option. Okay, so this it will only at the one side, and you can increase the depth of your print to 1 mm or 0.5 mm is okay, 0.5 mm, so that while finishing this after post processing, the sticker will remain. Otherwise there will be scratches, will not be refined again. Okay, so that's why 0.5 is kept as a thickness. And next thing is that if this is not an flat surface, a cylindrical surface is there, means VikisVapo of cylindrical bottle is there, and you want to stick your sticker over that, then instead of planar you have to select the cylinder, then it will act as a cylindrical sticker. Okay, so whichever the geometry of your model, you have to select likewise. So this one is done. Now for the second one, again I will this just unhide this, and I will move it over here. Okay, and I will hide this one, cap one. Again I will go to material, and here labels, add the label, add texture. Okay, now you have to first of all select this body. Okay, select this body, and then add the texture, and select the second image. Okay, just a moment. I think it is not selected. Body labels. Okay, now it is selected. Texture, and select the sticker. Okay, now it's smooth. Okay, because I have not kept it straight. Now you can translate it, just moving this, translate. Okay, and select OK from here. Again it is two-sided. Again go here downward, remove this two side and increase the depth to 0.5. Okay, so that's complete your part, rendered part. Okay, now you can unhide both these parts. Okay, one thing, labels, have to select this one. Okay. So both parts are okay. Now you can take the image, render image, just click over here and you can download this image, okay? Or you can take a screenshot of this, okay, from this side as well as this side, and take a photo of this part, okay? And how to bring this output? You have to select, go to File, and export this to export to 3MF, so that the same configuration of color and sticker will be available for you for printing. I will show you that also. Suppose this is VikisVapo. I will save in your file. Okay, CA. Okay. I have to keep the resolution to 400 dpi, okay, and this to be 60. So that is by default. Don't change that values. Export. Okay. After exporting, you have to close the this Keyshot first, because your system will not support, and then you can open GrabCAD, print. Okay. I think I have not taught you the GrabCAD print. Okay, so next session we will do learning about GrabCAD and some theoretical part first. Okay, second, I think how much unit we have covered? 2 units has been covered, I think so. Teaching. Okay, this 2 units has been covered. Only is this multi-material. Okay, DFMA part is remaining, theoretical part. This one I will show you the case studies also, and some portion of this unit has been covered through this Keyshot. Okay, so advanced multi-material. So this one is a multi-material type of printing. Okay. Instead of single material, it works over multi-material. Multi-material means 8 materials are used with the multicolor options. So here you can add your model from here. Okay. So as you can add this. Okay. You have to change the material setting first. You have to select draft gray. All 5 colors required for this. Means white, black, cyan, magenta, yellow. Yellow is there, magenta is there, cyan is there, clear, black plus white, draft gray. So you can see the colors. In this way you can print your part. So in next session we will see how to first of all I will see about this design for additive manufacturing. What are these concepts of lattice structure and all, and then after we'll proceed with the advanced topics in additive manufacturing, that is your polyjet printing. This one is a polyjet printing type of method. So this is your CA2 up to here. Okay, and CA4 will be of advanced printing. And CA3 will be on your MCQs. Okay.